Well, we're going to have to rely on Bruce for the close-up pictures. But this is Opaeka, something like that, Falls. And I tend to murder the Hawaiian language. But it's beautiful. Three falls for the price of one. It's a little bit closer view. The water that flows over the falls comes down here and forms this river. And there's water on this side, and there's water over on that side. And up here is the highest point on the island, 5,243 feet. It's reported to be one of the world's wettest spots. It averages 400 to 600 inches of annual rainfall, and is also the home to Kauai's main watershed. This is the other side of the river, and it looks like they have canoes or kayaks. And there's a few people on paddle boards.